Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. I would like to give you guys an update on the status of the Acura MDX, our 4th gen Acura MDX that is. The car is already at the dealership being worked on the transmission. If you guys are not caught up on the situation on the car, we are having some problem with the transmission. Mainly the small little faint pitches of sound coming from it basically when you're driving. And so if you guys haven't seen the other video yet, please check it out. I dropped the car off on Tuesday and they need about 3 to 4 days there, I guess, in a sense. And it's been 2 days since they have the car, and hopefully on Friday I'll be able to actually finally get the car back. So anyways guys, as I promised, I'll be doing some testing again and actually driving the car to see if it's going to be driving normal without that high pitch sound. So anyways guys, please stay tuned for that and I'll get back to you in the following day here. I just want to address one thing that is not clarified in the first video. So the car, as I mentioned, is a new vehicle for the fleet here. We purchased it just in the new year. And it was a slightly used car. There's about 38,000 kilometers already been on the car when we actually owned it. And we have only put about 7,000 or less kilometers in there. That's when we started noticing, really, when we just purchased the car. After taking it home, basically, I've been noticing this high pitch sound. So I just wanted to clarify that. A lot of people are questioning if it's something to do with the way I have manage or maintain the car. In fact, it hasn't been maintained by me yet. It's only been 6 months since we actually owned the car. So in fact, I'll be doing the first oil change pretty soon and the first service on the car, possibly the rear differential as well. Who knows what's in the 40,000, 50,000 range kilometer wise. So anyways guys, just want to clarify that it's nothing that I have done. As you guys know, I'm fairly good with maintaining each of my cars. Yeah, no, I haven't had the chance to actually touch the car. I haven't done any maintenance on the car yet. We've only put about 6,000 to 7,000 kilometers since we owned it. So yeah, the issue really is probably a one-off situation. I did ask the dealer if they have dealt with any cars out there with the same issue, and they said yes, there are a few, not a lot, but they've dealt with cars the same generation with this type of issues. So anyways guys, again, stay tuned.
2 weeks later.
What's going on guys? Now I'm back again for more updates. Finally, we got our Acura MDX back in the garage. Fairly happy that we finally got this car back. It's been a while. It's about 20 days since we actually sent it off to the dealer for repair for the transmission, as you guys know it. It's all done now. It took them a bit longer than expected. We had to do couple things that wasn't planned, but yeah, the main thing is that the transmission is done now. Just drove the car, actually just get back, so we're gonna try and drive the car and see how it is. Going out here pretty soon, let you guys hear how it's sounding now. All right guys, I'm on the road now and going for a quick test drive with you guys. As you guys noticed from the previous video, we are basically around that 40 kilometer mark. You can start hearing a bit of that faint pitch sound there. I'm gonna turn off the AC here, or the fan, a little bit for now, so there's no additional sound. Okay, there you go. So it's a lot quieter inside the cabin here, and the first test would be to do a 40 kilometer zone or 40 kilometer speed. If we can still hear that sound around the 40 kilometer. So we're at 35 now. We're now at 40, 42, technically there. It's fairly quiet. Okay, so we are in the 40-kilometer zone right now. So basically, once I get to the around the highway there, and we'll do the 80-kilometer, the main focal point of the issue is in this case. All right, I'm on the highway now. Speed limit here is a little bit higher than usual, but I'm on around 90 kilometers per hour, and I'm gonna try to go down to 80 kilometers here soon, just to test the 80-kilometer mark. As you guys can hear, fairly quiet. '78. Everybody's passing me here. 80. As you guys can hear, very quiet. I'm not hearing anything. So anyways, guys, given that the speed limit here is higher than usual, I'm gonna get back to driving here. So anyways, I'm on the highway again. 80 is nothing. As you guys can hear, I'm not hearing anything. And yeah, anyways, guys, well, guys, we're back in the garage now. So as you guys heard and see how well this car is sounding now, I'm fairly happy with the whole situation here. Brand new, definitely brand new transmission on this baby now, so nothing to worry about. I have a extended warranty on this baby, so I'm not too worried if anything breaks. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna call this a win, and as I like to say it, peace out.